Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the definition of criminal law. Criminal law. Criminal law is a branch of law which defines crimes, treats of their nature, and provides for their punishment. Himay-himayin natin yung definition. Criminal law defines a crime. This includes identifying a particular conduct or omission and declaring it as a crime, and may include giving the crime its particular name. Sinasabi ng criminal laws natin kung ano yung mga act or gawa na considered criminal at binibigyan niya din ito ng pangalan. Example, pag sinuntok mo ang isang tao na wala ka namang intensyong patayin ito, ang sabi ng criminal law natin, ito ay isang krimen ng physical injuries. Kung wala itong batas na ito, then ang pagsuntok na iyon ay hindi considered crime and thus yung gumawa nito ay hindi mapaparusahan. Traits of its nature. Criminal law is to delineate the conditions or circumstances under which the specific conduct will become a crime, how the crime is incurred or how it arises, and providing for its elements as well as identifying persons who are liable. Ang criminal law natin ay sinasabi kung sino ang pwedeng makagawa ng isang krimen, paano ito nagagawa at yung mga elements or requirements upang magawa ang isang krimen. Example, Article 246 ng ating Revised Penal Code states that any person who shall kill his father, mother, or child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, or any of his ascendants or descendants or his spouse, shall be guilty of parricide and shall be punished by the penalty of reclusion perpetua to death. Article 246 punishes the crime of parricide. Diyan sa article na yan nakalagay kung paano nagagawa yung krimeng parricide, that is, papatay yung offender. Sa article na ito nakalagay din kung sino ang mga offenders, that is, kahit sino. Nakalagay din kung sino ang victim, that is, his father, mother, or child, whether legitimate or illegitimate, or any of his ascendants or descendants, or his spouse. Provides for the punishment. Our criminal law must specify what penalty will be suffered for anyone found violating the law, because a law which prohibits an act or directs that an act be done which however does not provide for a penalty is more of an advisory law. Ang criminal law ay hindi lang niya dapat sinasabi kung ano yung mga acts na considered crime, dapat may penalty or parusa din ito. Example, balikan natin yung Article 246. So kung babasahin mo ang Article 246, nakalagay dyan, shall be punished by the penalty of reclusion perpetua to death. Article 246 does not only define kung ano ang parricide, nagbigay din ito ng katumbas na parusa. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.